Sam?
Well, I need to stash something for 2 weeks in a cool, dark place.
And what is it?
I can't tell you. It's a surprise.
I don't see a problem. Just hide it and don't tell me where.
No, I need to hide it from myself, too. Or I might not wait and take it out before it's time.
Okay, I have no idea what's happening, but I'll help you. Hey guys, for today's craft, I'll need lots of cardboard.
What are we making?
We'll make a safe, Sam.
A safe? Phew, we already made a safe and a cryptex. I know how they work. I'll just crack the code and open it. Do you remember the videos with the safe and the cryptex? Give a thumbs up if you do.
It's not just any safe. It has 3 levels of protection. I'll have the code, and you'll have the key. And we'll start with the combination lock. We'll need 4 cardboard circles with 2 centimeters in the diameter. 1's done, and here's 3 more. I'll make 1 circle out of 2 so it's easier to spin it. Careful here. We'll be rotating it when entering the code. Let's wrap the edge of the circle carefully so it's more convenient and pretty.
0, 1, 2, 3. It's just 10 digits. What if I guess the code?
I really don't think so. We will make 5 combination locks. Now turn away. I need to think of a good code combination.
I wonder what it is she will think of. My birthday or hers?
This part is a bit bigger in diameter. It'll keep the door closed if the wrong digit is set. What code to set? I know. This funny part will be the front of the safe, and that's where the locks will be. Let's make some holes for them. And here, the top combination locks will go. Let's set 2 digits. And I will attach these parts to the other side. I want it to work really well. Right, guys? And here, very neatly, glue the parts together.
Can I turn back already?
Just a little longer. I'll make 3 more locks out of circles that are 3 centimeters in radius. These locks will work differently. That's why we draw the digits like this on a different side. And to open the safe, you'll need to know 3 more digits. Not that simple. Now I have to connect these 4 parts together before attaching them to the safe.
Oh, how interesting. I will definitely try to crack your code.
You can try. A 3-digit lock can have 1,000 combinations. We'll attach these 3 locks to the same front wall. Only a little bit left. What code should I set here? Yes. And now let's secure these parts that are 2 centimeters in radius. Now the lock will only open with the right code. The bolt will be moving on these sticks, and it'll be located here. I'll glue it to the front, right above the revolving parts. And add another support stick for the bolt so it doesn't fall down. These little parts will let us open and close the lock with the correct code. We'll set them right here on the bolt.
Oh, I'm too impatient to just stand here and wait. I'll go check on my surprise.
This part will prevent the bolt from leaving the safe area. The rubber band will let it get back into place. Now, the key will only move the bolt if the code is entered correctly. You can look now, Sam. Sam? Sam! Where did you go?
1 sec, let me just check something.
We're getting to the most interesting part.
I'll be right back.
Sam's acting really weird. Guys, what do you think he's up to? Write your guess in the comments.
I'm back. Everything is fine.
Great! Now, Sammy, we'll make the key that you will hold on to.
My precious! Give it to me, or you'll be able to open my safe.
Wait! We'll need it for later to check if everything works.
So much waiting. I bet you can't wait to see our safe either, guys. Give a thumbs up if I'm right.
Be patient, Sammy. These parts will be able to keep the key in the keyhole. Like this. Now, I'll need the key to check if our system is working. Awesome! It works great! Look, Sammy!
Yay! I can finally get my key back.
Not yet. I'll need it for another lock.
Another lock?
Yep. We have 5 combination locks, and we also need to hide them behind the key locks. Let's make this part. I'll let the key grant access to the top 2 combination locks. I need a rubber band and attaching it here. And one more part for the support. Gotta be careful. And glue it right here. And pull the rubber band to the side like this. Now everything starts with your key. I just need to finish the front of the safe and build the body. And you bring whatever you need to hide.
Awesome! Finally! I'll go get it, but don't you peep.
Let's add some decorations to our safe. I said decorations! Sam! Huh. Usually he runs when he hears this word. Oh well. It's time to put the safe together. This part will be the bottom. I'll attach the door with the locks right here in the middle. Just a drop of glue. These hooks won't let you open 3 bottom locks unless the code is entered on the top. And one more. The last 3 locks will be hidden behind this door. And this is how it works. This is the side wall. Let me glue it to the bottom. And it has 2 doors. This door is opened by the key, and there are 2 combination locks behind it. And the keyhole for Sam's key is behind the second door.
Here I am. Is everything ready?
1 minute, Sammy. I need to attach the most important part where you'll be storing your items and also the walls. This door can only be opened if you know the combination and have the key.
I have the key and it's so pretty. Psst. Guys, did you see Sue's code? Write me in the comments.
Sam!
Sorry, I can't wait to get my surprise inside.
I'll set up the bottom and the wall. Here you'll be keeping your themes.
Cool. I think it'll be dark enough.
Enough for what?
Nothing.
And the back is ready. And let's get the top in place. Done! Our safe is ready!
Wow, so wonderful! So cool.
And secure. Should we open it to hide your surprise?
Let's. Turning and opening. Yay!
Now turn away. I'll enter the code.
Oh my, turning again.
What was the code? Aha! Done.
So awesome! It won't open.
Of course! Wait, that's not it. Turn away. We have 3 more locks. Here. Now I need your key, Sammy.
Finally.
Thank you. Let's see here. And turn. And now you can put whatever you want in here.
Now you turn away.
Fine.
Good. Now we close it.
Okay, Sammy. Now I just need to do the same, but in reverse order. It's so cool, guys. I feel like I'm walking away something very valuable. And I'm pretty sure it's not. Guys, what would you store in a safe? Write a comment below.
It's been 2 weeks. We can open the safe now and see what happened.
Sam, what's that?
Take it out and see!
Are these raisins?
Yes! 2 weeks ago, I put away grapes. And now they've become yummy sweet raisins. So yummy. I was afraid I'd eat it before it was ready. That's why the save.
It really is delicious. So, did you like the safe, Sammy?
Very much so. And so many different locks. You'll never open it without the code and the key. Did you guys like the safe? Write in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel to see our new crafts. Bye-bye.
So tasty. Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget a thumbs up.